So I just noticed a UE error code coming on this LG washer, and if you guys have experienced this, it is a pretty simple fix. UE error means it's an unbalanced load. So actually I just added too many, I think, blankets, and it's unbalanced now. So it's a very easy fix. You just need to open the washer and take out a couple of blankets, and it should work. So let us just try to see if that fixes it. So I just turn it off and take out. I have this thing. Just take this out. And do that separately later on. And let's start again. And start. This should work. Yes, it's good to go. So I'll wash this blanket later on, along with some other clothes. All right. I hope this might have helped you. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.